Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a viral stick figure videos just like the ones getting millions of views on YouTube Shorts. Let's get right into it. So the trick to viral animations is simple stories, challenges, mini games, funny moments or relatable situations. So for the script, you can write them yourself or you can use AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to generate a quick script. Remember that you need to keep it short, punchy, and easy to animate. So now let's just create the animations. You can use tools like Stick Notes, Pivot Animator, or AI tools like Animaker, or you can also use Canva like I do in here. So you can just after you got the script, you can generate it using the AI voice generator. So I'm using CapCut before the text-to-speech features in here, so I turn the script into speech, and after that you can just add into Canva. First I'm going to add the background for the animation. You can just search for background here and then just choose the one that you think fits with the stick figure animations. Okay, I'm going to just use this one right here. Set image as the background. Now search for stick figure animations in here. Oops. On the elements, then you can just choose the style that you like. So for example, I'm going to use this style right here. So to make the character consistent, you can first click on the three dots icon and go to the creators page. So you'll see the same style of stick figure. You can now just search for the animations stick figure. So these are the script of my video. So I'm going to use the first keyword, giving up. So let's just search for the stick figure related to give up. For example, I'm going to use this one in here. You can adjust the size and also the position, and now you can write your text in here. So I'm going to just write giving up, and here adjust the size. And if you have two words like this, you can use two different colors. I'm going to change this one into red like this and change the font. So I'm going to use, let's say this one's right here. And now you can add animations to the stick figure and also the tags. So here I'm going to just go with rice, and for this one I'm going to animate it using the let's say the tectonic. I think I'm going to just use drift. Okay, now like this. Now you can add another page, and let's see the second keywords. So you need to duplicate. I'm going to just duplicate so it will have the same background and style. And the second keywords is, I'm going to just go with great success. And again, here I'm going to use two different color. For this one, I'm going to go with black, and for the second word, let's use red. Now you can again search for another animation in here. I'm going to just search for success. Okay, for example, this one. Again, you can add animations to the, I think I'm going to shorten the duration first into, let's say, to 3.5, and for this one also, here I'm going to animate this again, and I'm going to now use this stump, and for the text I'm going to use a different one. Okay, the swipe like this, so you can preview the result first. So it will go like this. Now you can just repeat the same steps until the whole script is described through the stick figure animations. And after that, you can add the audio in here, upload your audio. Okay, this one I've already added text to speech. You can just add it into the timeline. And don't forget to align the audio with the stick figure animations. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on it. Thanks. Bye.